biologist, and today we're going to be making an ice cream bead pet. First, you're going to lay out your supplies. Then you should sort out your supplies with your pink beads, red bead, clip, brown beads, and one long white string. In this project, we'll be stringing this string through beads, and we want to make sure that our ends don't fray. So you're going to take a little bit of Elmer's glue and rub it between your fingers to make the ends stiff. Then you're going to give it a little bit of time to dry. And if you don't have Elmer's glue, you can use a little bit of Scotch tape to make the end pointed.